Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I am fine. Hope you all are doing well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, today I am again in front of you to take a class on English science paper grammar for class 6 and 7, especially 7. But this is a grammatical item, tense. It is needed for the student of all classes, especially 6, 7, 8. Today I am giving the lessons for the students of class 6 and 7. At first I want to give some example. Look at the board. 1. I write a letter. I write a letter. 2. I wrote a letter. Number 3. I shall write a letter. You know that every sentence has a structure, subject, verb and object normally. So now we are subject I, verb, write a letter, object. In the 3 sentences there are 3 verbs, but 3 form of verbs. It is write, then wrote, and then write. But before verb there is a auxiliary verb shall. What time does each verb refers to? What time each verb refer to? Present, past or future? In বাংলা আমি একটি চিঠি লিখি, আমি একটি চিঠি লিখেছিলাম, আমি একটি চিঠি লিখব। অবশ্যই this is present, time, past লিখেছিলাম অতীতকালে, এটা বর্তমানকালে লিখি, and I shall write future আমি লিখব। So do you guess what is tense? Yes, tense refers to the time of action or state indicated by a verb. In বাংলা ক্রিয়া সম্পাদনের সময়কালকে টেন্স বলে বা ক্রিয়ার কাল বলে। ক্রিয়া সম্পাদন যখন ক্রিয়াটা শেষ হয়, অ্যাকশন অফ টাইম। This is present action of time, this is past, and this is future. Dear students, according to time there are 3 main tenses. 1. Present tense. Number 2. Past tense. And number 3. Future tense. Future tense. Again I gave another 3 examples. Present tense, very simple example. I eat rice. I eat rice. Then yes, I ate rice. Then I shall eat rice. I shall eat rice. Here in the present tense I eat rice, আমি ভাত খাই. Time of action in the present, and then past tense I ate Rice. Time of action in the past. Then future tense. I shall eat rice. আমি ভাত খাবো. এটা refers to future state of or different modes of future action. This is refers to present time or different modes of present action. This is past state or different mode of past action, and this is future state ভবিষ্যৎ অবস্থা different modes of future time. So that means বর্তমান কালে যাহা হয় বা ঘটে সেটা বুঝাইতে ভার্বের যে রূপ সেটা বুঝাইতে প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স বা বর্তমান কাল হয়। পাস্ট টেন্স অতীতকালে কোনো কিছু হয়েছিল বা ঘটেছিল এরূপ বুঝালে সেটা অতীতকাল বা পাস্ট টেন্স হবে। এবং থার্ড ওয়ান ভবিষ্যৎকালে কোনো কিছু হবে বা ঘটবে এরূপ বুঝালে সেটা ভবিষ্যৎকাল বা ফিউচার টেন্স বলবে। All these are examples. I think in a brief you can understand about the tense, but there are main three kinds of tense, but every tense all these have four different types. That means a indefinite or simple, indefinite or simple, when present indefinite or simple tense, be continuous and ous be continuous, then C perfect, then D or 4 perfect continuous. Continuous CONTINUOUS continuous. That means in the case of present tense, present indefinite tense or simple present tense, present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. In the case of past tense, present past indefinite tense or past simple, then past continuous tense, then past perfect tense, then past perfect continuous tense. In the case of future tense, number 1 future indefinite or future simple tense, number 2 future continuous tense, number 3 future perfect tense, number 4 future perfect continuous tense. Totally 12 kinds of tense, main 3 kinds of, and then every kinds of tense has 4 types of tense also. We discuss one by one. Today we especially discuss tense and present tense. Then we future tense, past tense and future tense. This way we take one by one class. Now you look at the writings. Here are what is tense? Tense refers to the time of action or state indicated by a verb. According to time reference, there are 3 main tense. The present tense, which refers to present state or different modes of present action. The past tense refers to past state or different modes of past action. The future tense refers to the future state or different modes of future action. Each of these 3 tense has 4 different aspects. They are simple, which I already written in the board, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay. Can I erase this? Okay. Now I will discuss about present simple or present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Again, I want to give some examples at first. This is common example. I write a letter. He writes a letter. 3. You write a letter. 4. They play football. 5. I am a student. 6. He is happy. 7. That's enough. All this sentence show the base form or verb or simple present verb. আমি একটু আগে বলেছি বর্তমান কালে কোনো কাজ হয় বা ঘটে এরকম বোঝালে বা the tense which refers an action of present time or regular verb, true or habitual condition, then it means present indefinite tense. And I can give you a structure of present indefinite tense. At first, subject, then main verb, then object. In case of third person, note this, in case of third person, there put s or es after the verb. Another example, I go to school but he goes to school. Here verb শেষে es বসেছে. I eat rice, he eats rice. Here verb শেষে s বসেছে, কোন কোন ক্ষেত্রে es বসেছে। এটা হলো শুধু থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার। অন্য কারো ক্ষেত্রে মানে I go to school, they go to school, you go to school, we go to school, but he goes to school. So this is main structure. And you can also in the negative sentence, when you our main sentence is I write a letter. In the negative case, negative sentence, I want to give you the idea very gist or main idea. In the case of tense, there are huge description, huge thing. It need 12 times 12 class, but I want to summarize the main point, cream point. Then negative sentence. Negative sentence case, you use this case. At first I want to give example. I do not write a letter. Do not write a letter. Write a letter. At first we see that I write a letter, so I do not write a letter. He writes a letter. He does not write a letter. So, what is the structure in the case of negative? In the case of negative, the structure what will the structure? Subject hobe subject plus do not or does not plus main verb বা verb then object. In the case of auxiliary verb, when it is main verb, suppose I am a student, so I am not a student. Now our structure is this type. Then I am not a student. He is happy. He is not happy. So, in the case of negative another structure, subject plus am, is, are plus not plus object or extension. অর্থাৎ when am, is, are is main verb, then after this we use not, then it will be negative. You are happy, you are not happy. Another case, in the case of interrogative sentence, present tense, interrogative sentences. At first I want to give example, then I show structure, then you will understand very easily. If I give structure at first, you can fear, but you will be fear. How I remember it or memorize it, but you do not need memorize. You only understand, you only think. One, our main sentence was I write a letter. So, interrogative sentence, do I write a letter? And note of interrogation. Then another example was in the positive sentence or affirmative sentence, he writes a letter. So, does he write a letter? And another sentence was I am a student. So, we can write am I a student? Another example was he is happy. Is he happy? So, in the case of structure, in the case of interrogative, at first affirmative, then negative, then interrogative. In the case of interrogative, at first we use do or does, then subject, then verb or main verb, then object. In the case of auxiliary verb, at first am, is or are, then subject, then verb, then object. Every case, object or extension. Object or extension. Dear students, do you understand the example I given here and the structure I written here? I can you understand? Dear students, in the case of present tense, present indefinite tense, there can be another sentence which is negative interrogative. It is not very hard. At first I say I write a letter. Then negative I say I do not write a letter. Then interrogative I say do I write a letter? Then negative, in case of negative interrogative, you interrogative the sentence of negative. So do I not write a letter or don't I write a letter? In case of negative interrogative, you look. In case of negative interrogative, only one example I want to give. Do I not write a letter? You can write also this, don't I write a letter? So, or does he not write a letter? So, in this case, structure will be negative interrogative int, আমি সংক্ষেপে লিখলাম do or does, then subject, then not, then verb, then object, or am, is, are, then subject, then not, then verb, then object or extension. Remember it. You can also say don't I write a letter. If you